What's up guys? So another unboxing for today. So another 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 box unboxing, and I'm really excited if there's one here that is the most requested in the channel, which is the KZSX, or even the TFZ number 3. So I'm not sure if it's already here. If it is, it will be a really fun unboxing. So we're gonna try to unbox with our high-tech scissors. Let's try first the Lazada stuff, because yeah, this is local stuff for sure. Of course, these are all earphones, hopefully, if they shipped it correctly. So what is this one? I did buy some like budget earphones from Lazada just to check out, you know, what is popular nowadays with the Philippine market. Alrighty, so this is the first one. This is the Bavin earphone. I'm not sure of the exact model, but yes, this like $5 earphone, and I did want to check out, you know, super budget-fi stuff. So yes, I do want to hear your suggestions, guys, on what IEM first to review. That's why we're doing this unboxing, and of course I just want to have fun with gadgets. Bavin is our first item. Okay, super duper cheap. This is the second one that we have. All right, bubble wrap. Oh, QKZ. Okay, so this is the QKZ. I'm not sure what this is. KD7. QKZ KD7. All right, so this also really popular, around $5 in price range. Put this aside, and a lot of people actually are viewing the QKZ videos, so that's really interesting. Maybe a lot of people are really looking for, you know, the super budget-fi range, and that is my goal in the channel, to introduce people into audio. So that's why I do cover, you know, super budget-fi range, which is around maybe $5 or even below $5. Super duper cheap ones. And you have another, looks like another QKZ. And what is this guy? All right, so this is the VK3. Yeah, I am actually looking to review this for a long time now, but finally it's here. So QKZ VK3, again another $5 system, which is very nice. Something that people will buy as the first earphone again. So you have another Lazada, and after we're gonna go to the big guns. All right, so what is this? Another QKZ. I did buy, I think, too many QKZs. What is this? And I did like QKZs in general because, of course, they have the IEM kind of look, especially for that $5 price range. They're one of the only brands that has the IEM look for that price range. So here you have the QKZ CK7. Did I review this already? I am not super duper sure. Maybe not yet, but we have the QKZ CK7. And I do want to have a, you know, ultimate comparison of all the QKZs, which will be pretty interesting. Okay, so that is all the QKZs now in the channel. Let's put this here for display. Alrighty, and a Bavin also. And now we're going to the big guns. Let's start first with this one. So I'm really excited. Hopefully we can get, you know, a must requested item in the channel. Ooh, finally, I think this is TFZ. Is it a blonde? It's a blonde. Cool. All right, so this is the blonde 03. A blonde 03. Yay. Wow, I do want to check this out. Wow, this is a surprise for me. I didn't expect the blonde to be on here. So believe, let music burn, never give up. 102 dB impedance, 20 to 20k, 3.5mm jack, 32 ohm impedance, and also 10mm driver. So really interesting. Look at how that looks like. It looks like a TFZ-ish look, which is really interesting. Alright, so blonde 03. Yeah, I think this is one of the requested in the channel, or I just want to check this out because these are really hyped in the community. So yeah, super duper interesting. How about this one? Let's check out if we have. Okay, so this is, oh, this is a wireless earphone, fully wireless pair. So this is the QCY T1. So yes, we do have a fully wireless pair again, all white color. Of course, this came from Banggood. stereo Bluetooth earphones. You have T1 Bluetooth 5.0, 10 meters operation range, charging time 2 hours, 120 hours standby time. And yes, you do have this is around $30 if I remember, which is nice, and the 500 milliamperes. So it also looks good here. So really cool. QCY T1. Alright, so I do want to show you guys. I'm supposed to put it in the unboxing, but I forgot. But I'm gonna get it. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? So whoa, right. So we do have a QCY T1 now in the channel. Of course, big thanks to TechShop28 for lending this. Let's check it out. KZ True Wireless Earphones, large dynamic unit, hybrid configuration with the balanced armature, comfortable wearing, and also yes, you have flexible and simple touch indication operation. KZ T1, of course, big thanks to TechShop28 for lending me this unit for this review. Yes, I didn't unbox this because I know that it's already a KZ T1, but I do want to show you guys. We also have this in the channel. Right, so last but not the least, the biggest one. So what is this DHL thing? So usually DHLs are top contenders in the channel, so let's see. And this is a big box also, so really excited about this. Are you ready, guys? Oh, you have another box. There you go. Ta-da! What's this one? Oh, TFZ number 3, yay! No KZZSX yet, but this is still also a top recommended item here in the channel. TFZ number 3, of course, thanks to Lensol Audio for sending this over. You have in-ear monitor, the fragrance Zyter, not a lot of info actually. So manufacturer Shenzhen, building Shenzhen City. I actually want to visit them. Look at how that looks like. That's how the TFZ number 3 looks like. That's interesting, super duper interesting. And you have a minimalist box overall. So TFZ number 3, finally I have it in the channel. So yes, it took some time, but finally it arrived. Actually, it was I think being sent to me for 2 months, I think. But yeah, it took some time for it to reach me because of the shipping stuff. So yeah, it took some time, but yes, big thanks to Lensol Audio for sending that over. So this is our lineup for today. Of course, yeah, we don't have a lot of info on the QCY stuff, so I'm pretty sure some of you guys might know it, so it will be up to you what you want. Of course, yes, TFZ number 3, KZ T1, Blonde or 3, QCY T1, both of them T1s, Bavin earphone. You have the KD7 QKZ, you have the VK3 QKZ, and you also have the CK7 QKZ. So let me know down below, guys, in the comments what you want to be reviewed first. Of course, the highest voted will be first one to be reviewed. Of course, in my previous unboxing, the highest voted was TRN V90 and also the Nice Check NX7. Yes, I forgot already. I just reviewed it. So those are the first to be reviewed. Of course, the other ones will be reviewed soon, but let me know, guys, what you think of this items. I do want to check the Blonde 03 out. I think this is one of my most hyped products that I want to check out, and also maybe the T1 and also the TFZ number 3. But let me know, guys. Of course, for the QKZ fans, vote for your favorite QKZ for me to check it out. And of course, that is our unboxing for today. Another classic unboxing, just me pressing record button and just unboxing stuff, which is something I like. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.